Open Canva. Click on Custom Size. Take a 1080 by 1350 pixels canvas. First, go to Upload. Add your product image. Go to Elements and search Stones. Go to the Photos section. Add this stone image. Place it on the bottom. Flip it horizontal. Adjust its size and position. Go to Elements and search Sand. Go to the Graphics section. Add this sand. Place it on the bottom. Now send it to the back. Select the stone. Click on Edit. Open Filter. Apply the Tundra filter effect. Next, bring the phone to the front. Adjust its position. Next, search Drop Shadow. Go to Graphics. Add this shadow. Adjust its position. Search Neon Glitter Magic Spirals. Go to Graphics. Add this element. Click on Edit. Go to Filters. We will apply the Nordic filter effect to match with the mobile. Now adjust its size and position. Send it to the back. Duplicate and overlap. Now crop it to make a composition effect. Repeat this process again. After this, go to Elements and search Light Effect. Go to the Graphics section. Add this light. Click on Edit Image. Go to Filters. Choose the Nostalg filter. Adjust its position. Now, select the background. Go to Color. Choose Gradient. Change its color to match with the background. Duplicate this color. Place the bright color to the last. Choose Linear Gradient. After this, search Neutral Light. Go to Graphics. Add this element. Adjust its position. Send it to the back. Then click on Edit. Go to Filters. Choose the Outrun filter effect. Search Water Splash. Go to Graphics. Add this splash element. Click on Edit Image, then Duotone. Choose Classic. Place it on the bottom. Duplicate and place more. After this, go to Text. Add a heading. Type your brand name. Go to Font. Search Barlow Condensed. Choose bold font. Change font size to 75 pixels. Make it uppercase. Set letter spacing to -30. Duplicate and add another heading. For this, we will choose medium font. Change font size to 40 pixels. Make it lowercase. Set letter spacing to 20. Change its color. Go to Effects. Apply Neon Effect. Duplicate these texts and add more details. Choose semi-bold font. Change font size to 95 pixels. For this text, choose medium font. Change font size to 30 pixels. For this, choose regular font. Change font size to 50. Go to Position. Rotate it to 90 degrees. Choose left alignment for the text. Set this text's letter spacing to 225. In this way, add all remaining text. After this, go to Text. Add a body. Add Purchase Info text. Choose Thin Font. Change font size to 15. Go to Position. Rotate it 90 degrees. Adjust its position. Set line spacing to 1 point. Our product ads poster is ready. Let's zoom in. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.